All right, easy. All right, let's go watch this now. Let me get rid of this, just so.
Tell you too. Once we set the equipment, so. What's that? Oh, well, once the equipment set up, we'll start. How you been, Bones? By the way, you okay?
No.
No, you're not.
No.
Why not?
I want interceptors and revolvers.
Well, we can. I could probably help you with that later.
Can you just give me one?
No,
Or
but I could.
Just one.
We could talk about it, okay?
I think my department would be happy if I had just one revolver.
You're probably right, but we'll talk about it later, okay? Let's not get off topic, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, the recording device is set up. I'm gonna go ahead and let Pred start off here.
Hey, how you doing there, Bones? Marshal Kyle Pred.
Not good, actually.
All right. Go put this trash out.
It is going to be July the 16th, 2029, or is it 2024?
We've been going by 24.
All right, I guess. All right.
Yeah, a little weird, but I don't know.
July 16th, 2024. I'm Marshal Kyle Pred. I'm joined by Tex.
Bones. Sheriff Bones.
Hold on, sir.
Sheriff Bones.
Tex, you go first.
Why does he get to go first?
He's closest to me.
What the fuck?
Okay, but I'm with you.
Tex, can you state your name, please? Tex. All right, Director Angel, if you could please state your name.
Director Brittany Angel, Director of the San Andreas State Marshals.
Perfect. And then we are having a conversation with Sheriff Jeffrey Bones. Go ahead and state your name, rank, and badge number, please.
You just did.
You need to do it.
Sheriff Jeffrey Bones. I run the BCSO.
Badge number.
300.
All right, perfect. Now, before we move into questioning, you do have the right to remain silent.
What the
fuck?
What are we doing here,
Excuse me,
Angel?
sir.
Hold up a second. What are we doing here?
Sir, let me finish.
No. Angel, what are we doing?
Like I said,
Angel,
we have some questions that we want to ask you about an incident that happened a few weeks ago.
Angel?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell are you doing?
Questioning is.
He's reading you your Miranda rights.
Yeah, why am I getting Mirandized right now?
Well, once he finishes reading them, we'll explain, okay?
All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If you cannot,
why is he on the phone?
One will be provided for you by the state. Do you
what was on the
rights,
phone?
Sheriff Bones?
Yeah.
Just want to reiterate.
What's on the phone?
Detained. You're not under arrest. You're free to leave at any time, okay?
As far as for the record, San Andreas State Marshal Jackson Devereaux, he's here. Referred to as Tex. As for the recording.
You said what? Jackson Devereaux?
Correct.
All right, yeah, sure.
So,
Tex.
So lead off with a bit of context here. A couple weeks ago, there was an incident which some high command had oversight of, and they had some insight into, and we are seeking to get some further information from the high command members that were involved.
Yeah, okay.
Ed, you mind to go ahead and take away with your line of questioning?
Perfect. Are you familiar with Justin DeMarco?
Yeah.
How are you familiar with Justin DeMarco?
Nino.
Hey, just wanted to verify everything.
Yep. Package received, and the package wrap has been disposed of.
Perfect. Let me know what you think. Also,
well, immediately I noticed that he's complaining.
Oh yeah, always.
And then right following that, he got on the phone.
Yeah, I haven't read or reviewed any of that stuff in a while. I just know that it's a fucking gold mine.
Yeah. I'm gonna be taking notes like this. I'm only like 2 minutes in, and I'm salivating. So
perfect. I was wondering if you could do me a solid. I need to fucking find an inside person that can help me out with basically just subpoenaing, like, so I have like a bunch of sims from corrupt cops, and I can't find out whose they were. So I was gonna try and get in contact with Grayson. Do you have Nathaniel Grayson's phone number?
No. He's probably going to be at the shift meeting next. But
Yeah, I just don't know where his loyalties lie, because me and Grayson were pretty tight, and I don't want my information that I'm doing stuff to get back to the director. You know what I mean?
Yep.
But I think he's my only option, because all the other judges will report to her. But I think that he'll see the value in the information that I'm getting.
Subpoenaing. My advice. Okay, look. Here's the thing. The reality of the matter.
Can a civilian write a subpoena?
That exactly the route I was going down. Because here's the thing. Why shouldn't you be able to? Right? Because if you can find, so I'm gonna give you an example, right? Bones was supposed to be interrogated by Richard Dog in regards to my laptop being hacked by somebody in BCSO. I haven't heard anything back. I am a victim. The state is the victim, and therefore I have the right to be able to, get the information regarding it. Right? The interviews, I think you can
for
also
court
take
cases and legal proceedings and whatnot.
Precisely. So you could that is a much safer approach, because regardless of whether or not you've got good relationship with Grayson, he's going to value his job and his position over doing anything that may be counter to what Angel wants.
All right, I'm gonna go down to the PD and I'm gonna say, hey, I want to put in a subpoena.
Wait, for what specifically? Like, give me an example.
So basically it falls within like the legislations and guidelines, right? It's an abandoned. So basically I found an abandoned SIM card. All right.
Yeah.
And this abandoned SIM card was a text to somebody like 5 months ago saying, hey, the plate's flagged, ditch the car. So I assume it's from a dirty cop. So I just want to find out who activated the SIM.
The problem is, based on like the recent court case with Tilly, the problem is going to become that you cannot know who the owner of that was. There's already been arguments that have been made in court that even if you were the purchaser of it, there is no record of who activated it. So there's no tying relationship. Now, one way that you could have gone about it is you have the right to get state records, right? So you can actually see who made the purchase when, but there's no like transaction. There might be. You should try to get bank records. And for all you know, the details
Honestly, I
may
think I
actually
will.
show the phone number. Yeah.
You know what? I'll try something.
Yeah.
That's actually not a bad idea. I'll
Yeah.
let you get back to your shit. I don't want to interfere any more than I already have, all right?
You're good. And if I got something for you to cook on, I'll send it away if you're interested. So,
I'd appreciate it.
all right.
I'm always looking for something to work.
Yep.
All right?
Anytime. You take care.
You have a good one, Mr. Chavez. Bye.
Bye. Wait, is the Riker verdict today?
He got kidnapped by Mr. K. This is all kind of like off the record shit, but I mean he's dead now, so they can't really go kill him for saying everything. He was kidnapped by Mr. K. Got told to do a whole bunch of stuff on the camera. He made this video about the mayor and his wife and C4 and their involvement and all that.
What did the video? Is that all the video contained?
Just mentioned like corruption shit with the mayor.
Who mentioned corruption shit with the mayor?
Justin. Listen, if this is gonna be like a whole like a 5-level interrogation,
Yes, fucking two questions.
Let's skip all these like 15 lines of questioning. Let's just
Please
get
don't
to
tell me how to
TLDR.
do my job. You're free to leave
Well, I mean,
at any
I'm-
point in
I'm the
time
one-
if you want.
Okay, well you should probably work with the person that has the info, right?
How
What?
about you just let me interrogate you?
Well, I don't want to answer 50 million questions.
Unfortunately, that's how you get to the bottom of.
Yeah, but that's an
Incidences.
unnecessary question. You don't need to.
The fuck is this guy ever
I don't
fucking
see how it's an
interrogated?
unnecessary
What
question. May
fucking
I
court
continue?
case have these guys ever won?
TLDR though.
Fucking guys probably sit in Blaine County watching fucking movies, thinking that they're the ones fucking in the fucking movie scene. Fuck if they won.
Did you buy a house alongside Director Slacks of the CIB?
Yep.
What purpose did you buy the house with Director Slacks of the CIB?
For witness protection for him.
Was Justin DeMarco in witness protection?
We gave him keys to the house. Yes.
Was Justin DeMarco in witness protection?
As far as I know, he was. Yes, because we gave him keys to the safe house.
Is there any documented files of witness protection for Justin DeMarco?
Unsure. Slacks might have that. I didn't handle any of that. I just gave him the keys to the house. Because for some reason they forgot to.
Oh my God. Bro, wait a minute. They lied about all of this to us. Holy shit. Oh my God.
They are though.
Did you buy a house alongside Director Slacks of the CIB?
Yep.
What purpose did you buy the house with Director Slacks of the CIB?
For witness protection for him.
Was Justin DeMarco in witness protection?
We gave him keys to the house. Yes.
Was Justin DeMarco in witness protection?
As far as I know, he was. Yes, because we gave him keys to the safe house.
Is there any documented files of witness protection for Justin DeMarco?
Unsure. Slacks might have that. I didn't handle any of that. I just gave him.
Bro,
the keys to the
how
house.
did this get dropped? How did this get dropped? Like already, without even fucking looking at any more of this, the police department was saying he was never under witness protection. Barrick said that. Slack said that. Bones said that. Cassidy said he knew nothing about it and said he would look into it. He never followed up. And in the first 2 minutes in this interrogation, they have literally claimed holy fucking shit. And then they said, oh yeah, no, we never took the key. He just kind of gave it back. And it's not documented. Oh my fucking God. This is actually, they literally got this guy killed. How do you, let's put this into perspective. A guy, the second in command of a gang, goes to the chief of police, who agrees not to share the information goes and testifies more than has ever fucking. I don't think anyone has ratted out a gang as heavy as this guy. And because he doesn't agree with them, they get him killed. Like, I don't think. Oh my God, bro. Like, that's insane. Changang did more for DeMarco than the cops did. If he's under witness protection, like, inherently they're like in his custodial care. You're responsible for him at a higher, like at least the same level of someone that's in the cells. I don't think these people know what their job entails. I don't think they know what it means to be a police officer. This is like the equivalent of like Reno 911 in like Calcutta, India. No, like in like the villages of India, you know, where they just got like a fucking baton and they just fucking wing it, you know? Oh my God.
तुम जो करने जा रहे हो
Hold on. Gonna try to find a funny clip to paint the picture. Oh my God. All right.
Because for some reason they forgot to.
You gave him keys to the house.
Showed him where the keys were. Let me correct that. Showed him where the keys were.
Who owned the house?
Angel, I'd rather give you this in private, this info, because that is very critical knowledge. I'm not
Gonna
I don't
be
really
honest
fully
with
trust
you,
everybody in
Bones.
this room.
I understand that you might not fully trust anyone in this room, but this is kind of important stuff for them to know.
Right, yeah, but do you know how important the owner of that house is, right? If it gets found out, then the address of the house is found out.
And I'm
Any
sure
other
if,
person that we
if
put
that
in witness
information gets
protection-
out, I'll be charged appropriately and fired and removed from my job.
Right, but it's a little bit harder to prove all that you were the one that said it, right? Whenever maybe 5 people in the police department know total. I'd rather just tell you, Angel, and we can keep moving with this.
I think
don't fully
I'm okay
trust
with
Fred.
I'm okay with that, but you need to understand that if that information is relevant, it would be potentially shared with other people in the department.
All right, well, I'm not gonna tell Fred that.
See how it's
Okay,
kind of
that's fine.
obstructing justice at this point, but
No, because I'm telling someone I trust, not you.
you don't
I'm
trust
not
me.
withholding the information. No, not at all.
Why not?
No reason to. You haven't ever given me a reason to trust you.
Ever?
Ever.
All right, me and Jackson can go behind the glass.
My mind is.
I don't know why she's allowing that.
I'm sure it is, Tag.
Or doesn't. The door's jammed.
There you go.
Good job.
Fuck this guy.
Yeah, he's a fucking prick.
He's an asshole. What's that about?
He's insanely incompetent and thinks he's something when he's just a bitch.
Mhm. I hate people like that. Want me to
You guys
break
can
his
come
arm?
back.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna be honest with you. There's we need to understand if there was any criminal negligence on the part of some people in the police department. And we don't really suspect you, but we believe that
Yeah, I know
there's
that.
some people in the police department that might have less good intentions, and we need to understand everything about the situation.
All right.
Am I free to continue?
You can, yeah, you can continue, Fred.
Who decided to put Justin DeMarco into witness protection?
It's kind of an
Slacks.
idea between me and Slacks.
Why did you
Oh!
decide to put Justin DeMarco into witness protection?
Wait, I didn't expect him
because
to
we were
name
worried about
himself.
Either CG coming after him again, or this like C4 people coming after him,
Why would they go after him?
and he felt unsafe.
Why would CG
general.
go after him?
They already kidnapped him once for this info.
Why would C4 go after him?
Because he was spilling info on their gang, and I guess the ties that the mayor potentially had with their gang.
Who was he spilling info to?
Police department, the entire public on a video that got put out to the entire city.
So
On a
there's
potential state announcement, by the way.
Gotcha. So there's a difference
Plenty
here.
of reasoning to put him on witness protection.
So there's a difference here between the info that was on the video. Is there? I'm going to ask you a question. Is there a difference between the info that he was sharing with the police and the info that was on the video?
I believe so.
Who did he
I
share
believe
that
he
info
gave
with
us more
directly?
in depth, but I wasn't a part of like every interrogation there was.
So who did he share that info with directly?
He had multiple conversations with people in SIB, Slacks, Maeve Riker. I don't know who else they had with that. Coyote. Barrick also spoke with him, I believe.
You said earlier that he was placed into witness protection.
It was more so just we gave him access to like the safe house where he could kind of be off the grid. Gave
Would
him a
you
car.
Would you say that you placed him in a witness protection because you believed that he was at risk due to the information that he was providing the police with?
Yes.
Why was Justin DeMarco removed from witness protection?
I believe. See, I didn't know about this until it was already done, and that was because he was,
Dude abides things for 48 months.
I guess, involved with the whole July 3rd stuff.
How was he involved with the whole July 3rd stuff?
I would have to look, but he had a warrant out for arrest because he had blood on scene in the motor pool. I believe there's casings next to his blood as well.
So you believe Justin DeMarco was
Bro, this
a
is so
party that
juicy.
took place?
I wasn't there, and I didn't make that decision to remove it.
Okay, but so you don't know if he was, active during the July 3rd event that took place.
I wasn't there. I'm just strictly going off of reasonings on why they did it, because I asked why they removed him.
Who did you ask why they removed him?
Slacks.
Did Slacks give the order to remove Justin DeMarco from protective custody?
Slacks did remove him from protective custody, I believe.
That sound right to you?
I mean, when I heard it, I was confused on why, and then he told me that this person was like, it was a whole mess. But I mean, not necessarily. I still have questions about it, but obviously, I can't really. I heard about it after he already had died.
You don't agree with the decision made to remove Justin DeMarco from protective custody?
I'm not going to answer that question because I don't know all the details fully from Slacks yet.
Sounds like you know pretty much everything. You know about him having a warrant. You know about his blood being at the July 3rd. You know about there being cases next to his body. Surely you can
Could always be
formulate-
more, right?
Is there more?
I don't know.
Did you look into it?
I asked Slacks about it, and then after that, I had to deal with what I believe is Mr. K killing tons and tons of people in Polito about it.
So why didn't you look further into Justin DeMarco's release from protective custody?
I wasn't there. I wasn't around until it was too late, pretty much.
You're a party involved with Justin DeMarco's protective custody. Why wouldn't you look into his release from it?
I didn't say I didn't.
Oh my God.
You said
Then
further.
surely if you looked into it, you'd be able to formulate an opinion based off the information that you are aware of to the release of Justin DeMarco from protective custody.
Is that what you believe?
I believe that's because that's what you told me.
I didn't say that.
You told me
Well,
that you knew all news.
You're saying that you believe that I should come up with this. You can go to the next question because I'm not answering that.
Okay, so you're not going to answer a question if you believe Slacks made an error of judgment in releasing Justin DeMarco?
Bro, this is a...
Because I don't know everything about it.
But you understand that what you're saying right now is that you're a party to Justin DeMarco's...
Bro, he's the sheriff that had the head of CIB. How can you... This is the problem. I don't think they recognize it. You can't just blame Slacks. This is what Nino was saying about the Riker problem. You can't just say that Riker was the bad guy. We're good now. You can't just shift blame down. Accountability rolls to the top. Can't just be like, that wasn't mine. He works for your department. You're accountable for his actions. I don't understand. Dude, that is, bro, what the fuck? Holy shit. Oh my God, bro. Yo, that is crazy, bro. That is crazy. You'll see. Let's keep watching this.
And then you're saying, well, somehow
I'm taking notes.
I didn't have enough knowledge to play into understanding the decision.
Oh my God, dude. I can't wait to talk to
protective custody.
Bro, this is so juice. It's not even that The juicy thing about this is the lies that are now being uncovered with this, right? Now, is any of this going to substantiate the claim that Pred is making? No. But it's sort of uncovering the cultural disaster that is law enforcement. That's kind of you know, yo, oh my God, bro, this is so fucking good.
The decision happened without you. Why didn't you try and get informed on the decision? Because you're at fault as well.
It was already too late. I didn't receive anything about it. I didn't know about it until I got a call from Mr. K about it.
Surely you have an issue with Slacks' conduct as an officer in holding Justin DeMarco.
Right, but I don't need to answer that question in front of you. Right?
What do you mean you don't need to answer that question? I'm interrogating you. Do you know what an interrogation is?
And I can not answer questions if I don't want to.
I assume you cannot answer questions, but I mean, if you have information, I mean, why wouldn't you want to aid in this, you know, closing this? I mean, I don't really believe you're the one at fault here, Bones, but when you put yourself
I know I'm not at fault here. It had nothing to do with it.
What? You're a party to the protective custody. You're involved to the decision that was made to put him in protective custody, yes?
With getting his keys.
Bro, they work for you, man. Oh.
That's something to do with him getting the keys and being placed in protective custody, which means that you're responsible for him in protective custody, as well as Slacks and whoever else made that decision.
Right.
So now what you're saying...
It wasn't my decision. I didn't make that decision. It happened without me. I had nothing to do with that decision.
So the placing... So once again, I'm going to... You keep on jumping the gun here, all right? I'm trying to make this as quick and painless as possible for you in this circumstance.
I think you're looking for an answer for me to throw Slacks under the bus, but I don't...
I'm not looking for you to throw anybody under the bus.
He tried to talk to DeMarco.
What?
And then
what did he try to talk to DeMarco about?
There was a whole bunch of stuff.
Well, what did he try to...
January 3rd or July 3rd stuff.
Did Slacks talk to DeMarco about the July 3rd incident?
He told me he did.
Did he share any information with you about what he may have talked to DeMarco about?
Wait, it might be a new server IP.
Incident?
I don't know the exact details about it.
You know any details about it?
I know he talked to him about it.
This is either ignorance. Oh, there might be an update coming. It feels like this is either ignorance or bad faith.
That's about it.
But you don't know any details about...
Nope.
So do you understand how negligent this sounds? I want to put something into
because
for you.
I don't understand. Like, it's just, I'm so confused. Do they, either they don't know that buck stops at the top, which is like, you know, ignorance as to like, what is leadership? Where does responsibility end? Where does it start? Where does it end? The notion of like responsibility over someone that is under witness protection, right? You can't say someone's in witness protection and then be like, well, I don't know anything about it. I don't know. My mind is fucking rattled, but I'm literally rattled over this.
County Sheriff's Office. A man is in your protection.
It's and I've made this comparison before. It's like kind of arguing with someone that believes the earth is flat. Where do you begin that conversation? Right?
Protective custody. You are aware of this man being in protective custody. A man gets released from protective custody that you're overseeing, and you don't know why he was released from protective custody. You didn't even look into
I told you
why he was released.
Got released.
You told me, you didn't tell me why he was released. You told me who released him. You
The
specifically
July
are dodging
3rd
and avoiding
stuff.
questions to answer
not.
as to why he
not.
was released.
Fred.
You're speculating that it was because of the January 3rd, but then you're saying that Slacks talked to him about the January 3rd incident, but you know no details about it that led to his removal from protection. And then you looked no further into this, and then this man winds up
that's
dead.
not
Spirgo, thank you for the 3 months.
Those are your exact words and statements.
Not true. No further into it is not true.
Wait, I think this was
I
an
don't understand
update.
Which part isn't true?
Wait,
because
is there
those
an
are your
update
exact words
today?
from this conversation? Are you?
Yeah, this is a
protecting
good
Slacks?
interrogation.
Then why are you being very combative with me?
Because I don't have the info that you're looking for. I don't have all that.
But you can certainly formulate an opinion.
Wait a minute. Hold on a second. What is the timeline on this? Wait, I took a photo. $716? But I was saying vote for Nino, and she said vote for Andy. But didn't DeMarco die on the day the Constitution? Oh no, the Constitution came out and then the election started. Never mind. He died on election day, didn't he? I don't remember. It's so long ago, but holy fucking shit, bro. Bro, we need to watch more of this. Hold on. We're going to watch more, bro. I am so like, this is popcorning. Bro, what the fuck?